Welcome back, everybody. Please click on Follow Presenter. We have two exercises left for the remainder of this course. One of them is really handy. The other one, not so much. We're going to do the really handy one first. This one is debugging a workspace. You'll also be adding an additional reader, filtering some data, etc. So this is sort of bringing together everything that you've learned so far. Let me grab the link for this. There we go. So you're going to start by opening up an existing workspace. This workspace might be a bit of a mess. Let's find out. Save changes, no. Okay, so it's been cleaned up. This is actually the end point of yesterday's exercise. There is an error in this. We saw that earlier when I ran it. Some warnings popped up. It was in the expression evaluator transformer. So your exercise will be to fix that issue. There's a few different ways that it could be done. In the exercise itself, let's see, what does it do? It just adds an attribute creator. There's some other transformers that could work. There's a null attribute replacer. We could set default values, things like that. But the attribute creator will work just fine. You'll then add some OSM data. That's the only reader, I believe, that you'll have to add. And then you have to fix a coordinate system issue. I'm not going to demonstrate that. I want you to take a look at your log messages, take a look at feature counts, basically use all of the troubleshooting steps that we have reviewed so far today to try to figure out what's gone wrong and then try to figure out how to fix it. Now, that being said, if you find yourself getting stuck for more than just a couple of minutes, please let us know either in the chat or by calling for assistance in your lab. So please do the exercise debugging a workspace. I'm going to give you 20 minutes to do that, roughly 20 minutes. So we'll continue at 12:30. Okay, good luck, everyone. Remember, if you happen to get stuck and you're not making any progress for more than just a few minutes, please let us know in the chat or request assistance. Good luck.